welcome back to my channel. You find me barefaced once again, so you know what that means. It's tutorial time. I am by no means a beauty guru, so this is just how I do things, but I hope to share it with you and I hope you enjoy it. Today I will be doing a look based on this palette here, which is called Lid Lovelies. Oh, I wish I could speak today. By Pixi from Petra. Let's try that again. This palette is called Lid Lovelies and it's from Pixi by Petra. So this is a fabulous palette here. So I'm going to be starting a look based on this palette today. So don't forget, if you enjoy this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. So let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so first up, I have already washed and cleansed my face and I have put my moisturiser on. Today I've used the Pond's Institute Essential Care Triple Action Day and Night Cream, which fixes wrinkles, firmness and age spots, thank goodness. And that's this one just here. This is for mature skin, although it's quite cheap and I use it anyway and it's doing wonders for my skin, so I thought why not use it, because, well, I will get old eventually one day, but for the time being it's keeping any wrinkles and things from coming before they even get there. So next up I am going to use my NYX pore filler. That's this one here, my primer base, and I'm just going to apply that on my face. You really don't need a lot for this. I'm just taking about that much on my finger and I'm just going to spread that across my whole face. I'm just going to put it in little dots first and then distribute it out a bit more. I'm really getting my nose because I know that this bit, it shows up really badly. I get like quite dry and gross there, so making sure that I've got that filled in. Simple as that, all done. Okay, so next up I'm going to go with my NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. That's this one here. And again, do the same process, just put a little bit of that and put that across my face, so we get a nice lovely glow. At the moment looking a little bit shiny, but that will all go away once I put my foundation on and it'll just give me that lovely kind of glow, which is good. So straight on to foundation. I'm using this one here, which is the Rimmel London Lasting Finish 25 Hour with Comfort Serum. This one here. I'm just going to put that on the back of my hand. And today I'm going to use my Studio London foundation brush. Whew, all done. Now I'm going to go in with concealer. Today I am using the L'Oreal Paris Perfect Match, and True Match. And that one is this one here. And I'm just going to put that on all of the gross areas, like this massive spot I've got here, that massive spot, that one there, of course under my eyes, pretty much just everywhere really. And where are you, beauty blender? And take my beauty blender and just blend that all in. Okay, that bit is all done. I'm now going to take my NYX HD Finishing Powder, that's this one here, and I'm just going to set that underneath my eyes. I'm going to take my angled brush from Real Techniques because I don't have a proper one to go under here yet. But don't worry, it's in the pipeline. I'm now just going to play with my eyebrows a little bit just to try and do something with them because they're just outrageous. I'm not going to bother filling them in because I think that they just look like cartoon brows when I do that at the moment. So until I figure out a great way to do that, I won't be doing that on camera. And what do we want? The NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel, this one here, just to hold them in a better place than where they normally sit, because they generally are just rubbish and they just look like Bushmen eyebrows. So what can you do really? One day I will get them sorted out properly. I would prefer to get it done professionally rather than do it myself. So now we are ready for the fabulous Pixi by Petra palette. This one is called Lid Lovelies, as mentioned at the beginning. I'm very excited by this palette, and I think I'm going to go with these sort of orangey bronzy colours in the middle here today. These are all very nice shimmery colours. Real Techniques fluffy brush, and I am going to go in with this colour just here, this one. And I'm going to put that as my transition shade across my lid. So this is a very sort of light goldeny, shimmery, sun-kissed kind of colour, which I think is fab. All of the colours in here are pretty much glittery ones. There's only a few matte ones in there, but that's fine because I like a bit of shine in my life, and especially on my eyes as well. Okay, so that's that bit done. I'm now going to go in with this one in the middle just here, and I'm just going to sort of buff that in my crease and bring it across. So it's a slightly deeper shade, so it's bringing that golden look in. Okay, so this is where we're at so far. This is a very cool goldy kind of colour. I am now going to take my flat-ended brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going to take this bold orange just here, and this is going to really liven up this look, and I'm going to just pat that on my eyelid. So that is a very bold orange, and I'm just going to bring that underneath my eye as well. Okay, so now we're going to take this brush just here, which is a spectrum brush. This is the B04, and I'm going to take this one just here and put that in my inner corner. And then I'm going to take this one just here up there, and I'm just going to sweep that through just the centre of my eye. Just patting that on nice and gently. So that's what they look like so far, and then all that's left is to put on the mascara for the eyes. But before I do that, I'm going to go in with my highlighter. So with my highlighter today, I'm using the Tiny Bird Cosmetics Illuminating Powder, and this one is in Champagne Sorbet, another fabulous palette here. I'm using my fan brush from Eco Tools, so I'm just going to take that and sweep that up and to the side. Cupid's bow, bit on the nose. Just there, highlighter done. And now it is time for the lashes. Today I'm using the Rimmel London Extra 3D Lash, this one here, my good old favourite. Okay, and that is the eyes done, looking very orange and lovely. And last up, I'm going to do my lips, and today I'm using the Stila Stay All Day Dry Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Shimmer, Splendor Shimmer. I actually really like these. These were a new purchase for me. You'll see this in my Cult Beauty haul, and these I really love. So guys, that's this look done. So this is a look based on the Lid Lovelies palette from Pixi by Petra. So that is a bit of a tongue twister, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly love this look, and I think for people with blue eyes this will definitely be a standout colour with the orange as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up so that I know that you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you very soon with a new video. See you soon.